The open house started during the lockdown, and the natural beauty of the valley throughout the seasons, from the lush monsoons to the dry brown landscapes, inspired its design. The goal was to build a home that blends with its surroundings and encourages people to slow down and connect with nature. The landscape design focused on eco-friendly practices, using native plants. Instead of building a traditional boundary wall, a living fence of native trees was planted, using the Miyawaki method. The site was divided into two parts, 1/3 for the house and garden, and 2/3 for a tropical orchard, using permaculture methods to grow various fruits. The farmhouse was positioned to take full advantage of the views. As you approach, you're greeted by two tall stone walls that form the entrance and separate the house into two main sections, the living area and the bedrooms. A central deck between the walls serves as a veranda, offering views of both the orchard and the landscape, making it feel like nature flows through the house. A floating steel staircase connects this deck to the upper level. At first, the open house looks closed off with its tall walls and few windows. But once inside, it opens up with large windows and doorways that connect every space to the outdoors. The living area features a large multi-purpose room with a double-height ceiling. A cozy window seat is built into a bookshelf, perfect for reading. The dining area is tucked into a smaller section, creating a contrast with the big windows in the living room, and it connects to the kitchen with a sliding door. The bedrooms are separated from the living area by the central deck. The master bedroom is simple yet stylish, and the guest bedroom has a high ceiling and a sleeping loft accessed by a wooden ladder. Both bedrooms have attached bathrooms with skylights and green pockets, giving them a retreat-like feel. Inside the house, the stone walls create beautiful backdrops for the dining room, kitchen, and bathrooms. The floating steel staircase linking the decks has a solid base and becomes lighter as it rises, matching the style of the roof. Overall, the open house uses clever architectural design to connect the home with nature, not just in space but over time as the seasons change.